Hey Michelle, I just wanted to give you an updated version of the Screencastify so that you can see how to navigate Michigan Virtual for your students during student support. So you're going to go on to michiganvirtual.com or .org, excuse me, go into the login key. When you hit login, you should be able to, okay, sorry, didn't do it. There we go, login. You scroll down to the student learning portal right here. And then you're going to sign in using your username and password. So yours is going to be your Freeland email. And then the password is always Falcons 2020 unless you change it. So once you sign in, you can just close this screen. You'll go to students and you'll see all the students either that you're assigned to or that we have in our system. I think you're going to just see the kiddos that you are assigned to. But we're going to look at a student. So you click on the student once you find them, and you see that this student has 4 classes right now. So at a quick glance, you can look over here under assignments, and you can see that in chemistry, he is 0 of 57 done, 3 of 198 in the cybersecurity, 3 of 42, and 4 of 46. So that's just at a glance. So if you go down here onto the enrollment side over here, these are the tools that you're going to be using the most. So there's a snapshot. You can click on snapshot and just be able to visually see where they are. So they're pacing. He's in a yellow here, which means he might be a little bit behind. Here's pacing is good. Pacing is good. So that's kind of like they're on track. A better way to see, that's just a snapshot. A better way to see is go to actual pacing. And then you'll notice the classes across the top here. That's how you just can navigate in between the classes to see what's going on. So there was a reason we saw that he was yellow. That was kind of a warning to us. So see, he's 9 assignments behind already. And then if we go into civics, he's on pace for that class. Chemistry, he's 4 assignments behind. And English 11, he's 1 assignment ahead. So this might be another way to kind of see where they're struggling. And it's just a good conversation starter, I think. Then if you go over here and you look at their grade book, you can find out specifically what they're getting on certain grades. So for this assignment in British literature, the introduction to the discussion board, he got 4.38 out of 5. And so you can just kind of peruse that a little bit. Here's another really cool thing. It's called the activity heat map. Click on that, and it actually shows you the days that the kiddos worked. So you can see that he was working on civics. He's only been in civics for 3 days, three times. Same with English, 3 times. The cyber security twice. So every time it's highlighted in a different color, that shows you exactly the day they were on it. And he hasn't even started chemistry. So if I were you and I was in student support helping students, I would go, the first thing I would see is this chemistry. Like, you haven't signed in at all. Do you need help? Is there something preventing you from doing that? So these are the primary keys that you're going to be working on. And so that should give you a really good start to the communication and the dialogue that you're going to have with a student. And then always to get back, you can just click student again, and then you'll see all the students that you're associated with. I did, let's look at Madison Agnew. I should have picked her in the first place. So if I go over here, and it might just be my screen, but associated to mentor. So you can see that she's got Clyda and you as a mentor, okay? And so if you go back to the main page, you can see her classes at a glance. You can go back to snapshot, kind of look at that a little bit. Okay, so chemistry is a little yellow and algebra 2 is yellow. So the pacing there is maybe a little bit behind. Let's go and look a little bit closer. So in algebra, she's 2 assignments ahead. So that didn't really feel like it was accurate on that pacing guide or on the snapshot. Chemistry, she's 3 assignments ahead. So that's good. Civics, she's on pace. And was it English? She's 1 assignment behind. So that's the one where she needs a little bit of a push, like, hey, let's get this going. So anyway, I hope that helps you. If you have any questions, please make sure you let me know. I'm here, obviously, to support you and help you. And I hope this Screencastify was helpful. All right.